For this lab, you need safety goggles and appropriate clothing, a balance, 50 milliliter beaker, and blue solution. Before using the balance, make sure all the slides or doors are closed, including the top one. After doing that, locate the zeroing or tar button and make sure you press it before using the balance.
About 70 grams. Yeah. 87.
The first step in using the balance scale is to make sure you hit 0. That way you can measure it out and it'll be consistent and it's right. Okay, so first we gotta make sure you tare the balance. Measure the mass of the beaker itself. You gotta make sure that the side slides and the top slide are closed. That's roughly 69.96 grams. Okay, now you have to take it out. Now we add the solution. It's really important to use the same balance when doing this and not changing it, because you want everything to be consistent. So if you change the balance, then there might be something off with it, so it can change the entire data completely. Okay. Now with the solution in the beaker, the mass is 83.42. You do final mass minus initial mass. So you do mass of the beaker, and you subtract that from the mass of the beaker with the solution, and then.
Alright, to do this experiment, we need to get the scale, get the beakers ready, and zero out the scale.
Tare the balance.
After zeroing it out, hold these slidings open, put the beaker right here, close it, then get the initial mass. After that, take the beaker out carefully, close this, now make sure not to zero it, because if there's an error we want to keep it on there so it'll be at least consistent at least, you know? Now just pour your solution into the beaker, or this. Now it's important to use the same scale because, well, same reason you don't want to zero it, it'll give you the same error if there is an error. And we have roughly 80 grams. Using basic subtraction, that means there's roughly 10 grams of water in there.
First thing you need to do with the balance is to make sure all the doors are closed. Tear it out.
Just tare the balance.
You take an empty beaker, place it into the balance. Close the door. Take out your empty beaker. Add the required amount of the solution. Pour the mass of the beaker with the solution. Subtract the two numbers and that will give you the mass